Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to do an experiment with water. Okay, for that you need to have a bowl of water or basin of water. Okay, and also you need to have these things: a steel spoon, okay, and also a plastic spoon, a nut, okay, nut, a pencil, a lemon, an empty yogurt cup. It should be empty, okay. Please take an empty yogurt cup, a bowl, small bowl, and also you need to have a leaf, okay, a stone, a coin, okay, a coin, an eraser, and also a flower, okay. I have a jug of water. Let's do our experiment. Okay, children. Please look at my water jug. Can you see a color in water? Yes? Okay. Water has no a color, and also water has no a shape. පුතාලා water වලට color එකක් නැහැ. If you have clear water, okay, if you have clear water, then water has no a color, and also water has no a shape. water වලට shape එකකුත් නැහැ පුතේ. හරිද? Okay. Please take your steel spoon. Don't take plastic spoon yet. Now take your steel spoon. Okay. If I put this steel spoon into the water, what will happen? Can you guess? Okay. Let's see what is happening. Okay. I am going to put this steel spoon into the water. Okay. I put. You also put your spoon into the water. What happened? Yes, the spoon sinks in water. Spoon එක ගිලෙනවා වතුරේ නේද? Sink. The spoon sinks in water. ගිලෙනවා, sinks in water. නේද පුතේ? Spoon එක ගිලෙනවා වතුරේ. Yes. Now take your spoon out. Okay, now take your spoon out and keep it in your right side. Okay, keep your spoon in your right side. Now take your leaf. This is my leaf. If I put this leaf into water, what will happen? Can you guess? Yes. Let's see what will happen. I am going to put this leaf into the water. What is happening here? Yes, the leaf is floating on the water. The leaf is floating. Floating කියන්නේ පුතාලා floating කියන්නේ පාවෙනවා. The leaf is floating on the water. Yes. Now take your leaf out. Then පුතාලා leaf එක එළියට ගන්න and keep it in your left side. Left side එකෙන් තියාගන්න. හරිද? Left side එකෙන් තියාගන්න. Now take your stone. If I put put this into the water, what will happen? Let's see. Please put your stone also. Did you hear some sound? Did you hear a sound? Yes. I also heard a sound. Sound එකකුත් ඇහුණා නේද පුතේ? Stone එක අපි වතුරට දාපුවම sound එකකුත් ඇහුණා. What happened to the stone? මොකද වුනේ stone එකට? Yes. Stone sinks in water. Stone sinks. Stone sinks in water. The stone sinks in water. Okay. Take your stone out of the water. එළියට ගන්න පුතේ. And keep your stone in your right side. Right side. දකුණු පැත්තෙන් තියන්න. Right side. Now take your flower. Flower එක ගන්න. Take your flower and put it into the water. Water වලට දාන්න flower එක. What is happening here? Yes? Tell me what is happening here. Yes, the flower is floating on the water. The flower is floating on the water. මල වතුරේ පාවෙනවා, floating. Yes, now take it out and keep it in your left side. වම් පැත්තෙන් තියන්න පුතේ. Now take your plastic spoon, plastic one. Take your plastic spoon and put it into the water. What is happening? Yes, the plastic spoon is also floating on the water. Yes, floating. That steel spoon was sinking in the water. Steel spoon එක නම් පුතේ ගිලෙමින් තිබ්බේ, ගිලුණා. But the plastic spoon is floating on the water. Plastic එක නම් plastic spoon එක නම් පාවෙනවා නේද පුතාලා? හරි. Now take your coin and put it into the water. Yes. Now also I heard a sound. What happened to the coin? Coin එකට මොකද වුනේ? The coin sinks. The coin sinks in water. The coin sinks in water. Coin එක පුතේ ගිලෙනවා නේද? ගිලෙනවා. Yes. Now take it out. Coin එකත් එළියට ගන්න පුතේ. Take it out. Okay, be careful in using water. Keep your coin in your right side. Okay, now take your pencil. This is my pencil. Put it into the water. What is happening here? Yes, it is also floating on the water. It is also floating. Yes, floating. It's not heavy නෑ පුතේ, බර නෑ. That's why it's floating. That's why it's floating on the water. බර නැති හින්දා තමා පුතේ නේද පාවෙන්නේ ඔය. It's floating. Now take it out also and keep it in your left side. Now take your nut. Or nail. Put it into the water. This time also I heard a sound when I put my nut into the water. What happened to nut? Yes, the nut sinks in the water. The nut sinks in the water. Very good. Now පුතාලා take it out. එළියට ගන්නකො එකක්. Take it out. Okay. Keep it in your right side. Right side again තියාගන්න. Now let's see what will happen to this lemon if I put this into the water? මේ lemon ගෙඩිය මම වතුරට දැම්මොත් what will happen? මොකද්ද වෙන්න පුළුවන්? මොකද වෙන්නේ? Let's see. I put this into the water. Yes. The lemon sinks in water. The lemon sinks in water. The lemon is heavy. Heavy. It's heavy. That's why it sink. බර නිසා තමා පුතේ නේද? Sink වෙන්නේ ගිලෙන්නේ. Okay, take it out and keep it in your right side. Okay. Now take your small bowl and put it into the water. I put. What is happening here? What is happening? Yes, it is floating. It is floating. Show me how to float. Floating. පාවෙනවා. The ball is floating on the water. Yes. Now take it out and keep it in your left side. Okay. Take your eraser. This is my eraser. Take an eraser and put it into the water. Oh, what happened? It sinks in water. An eraser sinks in water. Eraser එකක් නම් ගිලෙනවා නේද? Eraser එකක් නම් ගිලෙනවා. My eraser sinks in water. The eraser sinks in water. Eraser එකට මොකද උනේ පුතේ? Sinks. ගිලුණා. It's heavy. Sinks. Yes. Now take your empty yogurt cup. This is an empty yogurt cup. Make sure to take an empty yogurt cup. Don't take full yogurt cup. Okay? The yogurt එක yogurt cup එකක් ගත්තොත් ඒ නිගමනයේ පුතේ වෙනස් වෙනවා. This is an empty yogurt cup. What will happen with this? Okay? See what is happening with this. Okay? Put it into the water. Yes. It is also sinking. My empty yogurt cup is also floating in the water. Floating. Okay. Now take it out also and keep it in your left side. පුතාලා එහෙනම් මොකද උනේ මේ items ටික? Now look at your right side. Right side එක බලන්න. What you have in your right side? Right side එකේ මොනවද පුතාලා ඔයාලට තියෙන්නේ? බලන්න. Lemon තියෙනවා, coin, nut, spoon. Make sure it is still spoon. Stone and eraser. These are the things that sink in the water. These are the things that those are sinking in the water. මේවා පුතේ මොකද වෙන්නේ? Sinking items. These are sinking items. වතුරේ ගිලෙන items. දේවල්. වතුරේ ගිලෙන items. Look at your left side. What you have in your left side? Yes, you have a plastic spoon, a flower, a leaf. Those are, yes, floating on the water. Those items are floating items. පාවෙන වතුරේ පාවෙන items. Okay. එහෙනම් පුතේ වතුරේ පාවෙන්නේ මොන items ද? වතුරේ පාවෙන්නේ මොන items ද? What items are floating on the water? Yes. Light items. සැහැල්ලු items තමයි. Light items are floating on the water. And also sinking items. What are the sinking items? Heavy things. Heavy. These are heavy. Somewhat heavy. Okay. What's the conclusion? That heavy things are sinking in the water. Okay. Thank you, children.